Growing Barbados cherry in Zone 5B, and I have this and 3 seasons, and I planted it in this big pot. And last fall, it's just kind of weird. It has a lot of flowers because I think it got stressed out because Barbados cherry, they are sensitive in cold feet. They don't like very wet, and they don't also like cold, like frost or something. Like, they're very sensitive. So what I did, every time I put it inside the house when the temperature is low. So this time I put it here because I acclimatize it first before I put it in the sun. Though they like hot weather or kind of like hot temperature, but this one is from inside for a few months, so I need to climatize it. So it looks, look, they already have flowers, and I cut some of it to propagate, so hopefully they will be successful. And look, they have flowers, and hopefully there's also flies. We'll see what it come out. It come out having a cherry, or I haven't tasted this one yet. And look, there's more here. So I like to learn, experiment growing tropical fruits in little cold Zone 5B here. And I bought this from Florida, and Florida is a hot, like the temperature is warm than compare here. So this is my Barbados cherry.